So I got some mail from Shooting Star today, and what that is, it's a skydive shop. In, I think, DeLand, Florida. And the place is awesome because they send me cool stuff. Stickers, you know, hooray. So what this is it's a fun-filled piece of metal with a spectra cord on it, and what you use it for is you put it through your flap on your rig for skydiving, and you can use it to pull your rig closed without using one of these. So there's that. I got a Viso 2 plus 2, whatever you want to call it, wrist strap, your altimeter. I got a medium, and I don't even know if that's going to be big enough or wide enough because I was stupid and didn't test it out before I wanted to look for it. Actually, that's going to be perfect. Absolutely perfect. So your altimeter goes right there. Look at your stuff. Yeah. And pull. So I don't really have a whole lot tonight. That's it.